Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. Another cooking video for you. Hamburger and macaroni soup. Here's the soup. It's very delicious. It's very filling for your kids. If you have 2 or 3 more, you have to feed your kids. It's very good to feed your kids. It's very filling. There's macaroni in there, hamburger, and 2 cans of tomatoes, and 2 cans of vegetable soup. Alright, stay tuned. We'll get cooking. We'll show you how to make the soup. Oh, look at that, April. God's cooking. She got some onions. Not onions, noodles. And hamburger going. This is tomatoes she got in there, and tomatoes. 2 cans of tomatoes and 2 cans of vegetable soup. Just got home in time to log it. Alternative. She cooked the hamburgers and noodles. Alright, we're gonna steer this. Gonna steer this. This is good for kids, you said? For mothers to feed if they have lots of kids, eh? Abel said. Low budget soup. Good for feeding your big family or a gathering. This is the macaroni we're using. We're not sponsored with any of the products we're using today. 2 cans of tomatoes, 2 cans of vegetable soup, and hamburger and macaroni.
Keep stirring it so it doesn't burn.
Keep stirring it so the bottom don't burn. We got it on max. So we'll start cooking. Alright, we'll continue to cook, folks. Simple hamburger, tomato, vegetable soup. More water's going in, folks. You keep adding the water till it's perfect. Yeah. We turned it down to 7. Yeah. We'll add water as needed. Right consistency. Right there's the consistency.
So it's slow cooked for a while.
Yeah. Okay. Continue. We'll get it to a boil. It's done, Avril said. You just cook it and get it hot, and how your soup tastes good. It's very hot. And that's it. A good meal to feed your kids. I hope this video is educational. Please subscribe and hit the bell to Outdoors with Mike. Thank you. Okay, folks, the soup is done. Oh, look at that. It's good if you have lots of kids. It helps feed the kids and gatherings. And look, we'll try some, yeah. Right there. What's in here is hamburger, macaroni, and 2 cans of tomatoes and 2 cans of vegetable soup. And water. And that's your finished result. Got some chunk hamburgers in there. Yeah, right there, folks. We'll try some. See if it's so good. We'll get this big hamburger in there. Look at that, folks. Oh. It's good. I could just taste that whole hamburger and that tomatoes. Oh yeah, so nice. Good for your kids, folks. Very filling. All right, thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope it was educational. Please subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Bye for now.